Finland's parliament has passed a controversial bill that grants border guards the power to block asylum seekers from crossing into the country from Russia. The Finnish government has accused Russia of weaponizing migration by encouraging people from countries like Syria and Somalia to cross the border, a claim the Kremlin has denied. Helsinki alleges that Moscow is promoting these border crossings in retaliation for Finland's decision to join NATO, which supports Ukraine against Russia's invasion. The right-wing government of Prime Minister Petteri Orpo has said the new law is essential to prevent future arrivals. However, opponents, including academics, legal experts, and human rights groups, argue that the bill clashes with Finland's constitution, international rights commitments, and the country's EU and UN treaty obligations. This is a strong message to Russia, a strong message to our allies, that Finland takes care of its own security. We take care of the security of the EU border, Orpo told reporters after the bill was passed on Friday. More than 1,300 asylum seekers crossed from Russia into Finland since mid-2022, but there had been no new arrivals since March until Thursday. Most of the recent arrivals hail from the Middle East and Africa, including Afghanistan, Egypt, Iraq, Somalia, Syria, and Yemen. The Finnish border guard said one person crossed the border illegally on Thursday and applied for asylum after being apprehended. Finland closed its land borders with Russia late last year. Interior Minister Mari Rantanen said no decision had been made on when to reopen the border crossings with Russia. Finland's move is similar to steps taken in other European countries like Poland and Lithuania to make it harder for asylum seekers to enter from Russia and its ally Belarus. The bill was passed with 167 votes in favor, 31 against, and 1 abstention. Lawmakers from the Left Alliance and Green League were among those who voted against it. Under the new law, pending presidential approval, Finnish border guards can reject asylum applications at crossing points, with exceptions for children, the disabled, and those deemed particularly vulnerable. Orpo urged potential asylum seekers not to attempt the journey through Russia, saying Finland takes care of its borders, and that the border access orchestrated by Russia will not lead to entry into Finland or Europe. Moscow has denied any intention to weaponize migration in this way.